how to change your Netflix region and how to watch Netflix from different countries. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can actually watch Netflix from different countries. Now this is going to be great if you're someone that wants to like unblock Netflix and other different platforms, but obviously specifically Netflix in this case, so you can access content from other countries. So maybe you want to watch a TV show or an anime series or whatever you possibly want to watch, and that may be only accessible within a certain country. And what you can actually do is actually use Netflix and change a different country so you can actually watch that particular show in that country. And the way we can go ahead and do this is by using a VPN, and this is going to actually trick Netflix and make it think that you're in a different country or region, so you can go ahead and actually watch your desired TV show, an anime series, or whatever you want to watch. So stick with me in today's video, and I'll be showing you step by step on how you can go ahead and actually do this. So let's begin today's video so I can show you the process. Alright, so as you can see on screen right here, we have a lot of different tabs open, and I'm going to explain everything you need to know in just a moment. But like the VPNs I've chosen in today's video are VPNs that have proven to actually unblock Netflix and work for streaming content, first of all. And second of all, are VPNs that actually offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason this doesn't work for you, you can get your money back. So I just want to really just emphasize that point for you. Just wanted to mention that so you don't have to like hesitate, you know, or regret like trying this out if it doesn't work for you. But it should work for you. There shouldn't be any issues. So I'm going to go over the best VPNs to basically unblock Netflix right here for you. So first of all, before we even begin today's video, I think it's worth mentioning that I will be updating the links down below in the video description with the most up-to-date VPNs that are working for Netflix and for actually changing your country. So obviously at the time of recording this video, the best VPNs are going to be NordVPN and ExpressVPN for actually changing your Netflix region. But over time, there may be like, you know, different changes or like new VPNs. So I will be updating the links down below so you can get the best VPN whenever you're watching this video. So you can also click the top links down below to get access to ExpressVPN and NordVPN right here. And this will allow you to get these VPNs at a discounted price through my link down below. Alright, so as you can see on screen, we are logged into my Netflix account, and I am from Australia right here. So as you can see, we're on the Australian Netflix. So for today's example and demo, we're going to go ahead and go to the American Netflix, okay? So let's first of all use ExpressVPN. And as you can see, we have the US right here. So click on USA and connect. And if you want to like choose that location, by the way, for ExpressVPN, we can click on the three dots and we can choose a location right here. So we can choose anything from like Australia, Singapore, you know, in Asia, from the Americans, from Europe. You get the idea. You can even choose Japan as well, because I know a lot of people want to go to Japan for anime. Anyway, let's just do USA. So we'll click on connect right here. And this should actually change our Netflix region right here and country for us right here. So as you can see, it's connected to the United States, and we can click on refresh right here in our browser and it should refresh. So let's just let it refresh. Okay, and there you go. As you can see right here, it's now US right here. Right off the bat, it says I can watch Naruto. That's a pretty popular show. There's plenty of shows right here, and this is the United States Netflix right here. So top 10 US Netflix. And if this also doesn't work for you, by the way, or if maybe like when you're like choosing like a show, for example, and it doesn't work, you can also contact ExpressVPN support. So you can click on the hamburger icon right here. You can click on get help and support, right? And then you can contact ExpressVPN support. You can contact them right here and initiate like a live chat, and then they can actually recommend like the best server that's going to work for you or actually help you solve your problem, because ExpressVPN does have lots of different servers. So if we go over here, 160 VPN locations, there's over like 3,000 different servers, I believe, for ExpressVPN just right off the bat that you can choose from. So one of them are bound to 100% work for you. I'm talking about like the worst case scenario. So as you can see, 3,000 plus VPN servers. So that's ExpressVPN. Now, NordVPN is a bit of a cheaper option, but it's also very, very effective as well. They have over 5,000 servers you can take advantage of. So let's go ahead and disconnect from ExpressVPN right here, and let's connect to NordVPN, because NordVPN is also a nice alternative to ExpressVPN if you are on a bit of a budget as well. So let's go over here and let's search, scroll down below actually, and let's go ahead and click. Actually, let's just refresh this page so it's in Australian again. Okay, so we're back to Australian Netflix right here. So what we can do now is let's connect to the United States version of Netflix right here for the United States. And as you can see, it's connected to the United States right here. And we can refresh the page and you'll see that it's in the American Netflix again with NordVPN. And there you go. It's the US Netflix again right here, and this is the United States Netflix right here using NordVPN. And again, if there's like any issues with NordVPN as well, just like with ExpressVPN, you can contact support very easily. So you can just go to click on Help Center right here, and you'll be able to initiate like a live chat, email them, and they'll be able to help you out with getting your Netflix set up as well, so you can watch shows in whatever country and region you want. So that, in a nutshell, is how you can change your country and how you can go ahead and change your region for Netflix so you can watch different shows in different countries. Now, ExpressVPN and NordVPN are the best VPNs in my opinion for this. ExpressVPN is a lot more expensive in comparison to NordVPN, but ExpressVPN is like the well-known leader and like very consistent when it comes to like watching content. But with that being said, NordVPN has 5,000 servers in comparison to only 3,000 servers with ExpressVPN, and NordVPN is a lot cheaper as well. So for the most part, I'd probably recommend NordVPN, but if you do have a bit more extra money, then I'd probably recommend ExpressVPN. Either way, you won't be at a loss, and if worst comes to worst, it doesn't work for you, like either ExpressVPN or NordVPN, you're always protected by that 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, I did want to give an honorable mention to Surfshark VPN, which also allows you to unblock American, British, Japanese, and more Netflix regions as well. It's great if you want to stream movies and TV series with a VPN. And if you click the top link down below, you'll also get an 83% off discount plus 3 months free right here. As you can see, it's quite an attractive discount, and you also get like a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So just want to quickly mention this honorable mention as well, so you can have, multiple different choices and really, get an even cheaper VPN as well, because Surfshark VPN is cheaper in comparison to NordVPN and ExpressVPN. But nevertheless, if you do want the best VPN, I'd probably recommend ExpressVPN. If you do want like a middle ground VPN that has lots of servers and that has also been very consistent, then I'll probably recommend NordVPN. But if you're on a very, very, very tight budget, then I'll strongly recommend using Surfshark VPN as well. You won't be at a loss with, like I said throughout today's video, with 80 of these VPNs. But I did want to quickly mention Surfshark VPN as well, because you can use it to unblock Netflix from anywhere. You can subscribe to a VPN, either Surfshark VPN, ExpressVPN, or NordVPN. You'll install the app on your device. You can even, install it on smart TVs, and then you'll run and log into the VPN, click connect on whatever region you want to connect to, and then you can watch Netflix in your desired location. And you can do this on Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Amazon Android smart TVs. This also applies for NordVPN and ExpressVPN as well, so you can do this, and watch Netflix on multiple devices with a VPN as well. And yeah, just want to quickly mention this VPN as well, so you have more to choose from. That's basically for today's video. I'll leave a link down below to both ExpressVPN and NordVPN, so you can get a discount for either one of those two options. And again, I will be updating the links down below if there are any better VPN alternatives that may be better than both NordVPN and ExpressVPN over time when it comes to changing your Netflix region or country or location. And yeah, thanks for watching today's how to change your Netflix region and country video.